going on, everyone? Just got a little 2x4 by 5 tent. So today's video, we're gonna focus on hanging our grow lights. I've yet to see a video on YouTube that shows the way I found out how to hang it, so I thought I'd share with everyone. Some random Chinese LEDs, but they have the same wire hanging mechanism as a lot of standard grow lights, LED or not. So we're gonna go through it. We got this one hanging. So by the end of the video, you're gonna learn how to get an extra foot of grow space out of your grow lights in the same tent, which really makes a difference. It's a good height from the top, right at the carbon filter. This would be as high as I'd be able to hang it if I set it up at the factory. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna end up with both of our lights up there. It's about just a foot of room at the top. Depending on the type of light you get, most standard lights, Chinese or American, are gonna have a setup with the wires. It's gonna come like this, and normally you'd hook these wires in here, and then all of those wires would connect in to that, which would then connect to your lighting support assembly. So what we're gonna do is connect all of them in a similar fashion, but instead of then just going to that support, we are going to use each other as structural supports and kind of lock them in together. First crossing here on each side, and then once those are crossed, we're gonna cross here on each side. Got all the hooks in, we're gonna cross these two, and that's the first step. Tip one, we're gonna weave it right through. Yeah, we can just rest it loosely for now. Then we're gonna do the same thing, weave this one back through here too. So now, like that, glove them back to each other. We're gonna do the same thing for these two. And we're gonna take them. Here we are. Instead of having all of those just instantly go up, we crossed them once, cut an inch or two out of our height. Now depending on your grow tent and your height capabilities, this might be good for you. You saved a little bit of room, you'd be looking at something like this. For me in my tent, I want to get the most space optimized as I can. So we're gonna cross now here on each side and weave each side right there. So before you cross these, you want to pull all the hooks facing in. That gives you the closest distance between your wires. So what we're gonna do now, take this, as you can see, right here, take this, put back, all looped together. We're gonna pull all the hooks now to the center, hooking them right like that. So all we did was connect those to the main clip. We're gonna hang that right where we had our light before. See, we have that new rigging, saved us tons of room. Can get our plants easily over 3 feet. It's awesome. Even for a 2x4, you're gonna be able to get some good yields. Timer over and outlet for a second. Show you that. Got them both on. You're always gonna wanna remember to center your lights and level them out, especially since you have them in this configuration. It's important. Give yourself an even canopy. Yeah, you're gonna have a lot more grow space now, so give it a try. Let me know in the comments how it goes. Looking forward to it. Let me know your channels too so I can check out the grows. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Peace.